Chetan has completed 3 months of therapy now. So his improvements are, he has started blowing regularly. His emotions have been increased. He misses his dad and brother when they are not there at home. He cries a lot when they are not there. He plays with his brother more frequently now. And then he listens to the commands better than before. Now, if it is said slowly for 3 to 4 times, he understands what we are saying about. Then his sleep is stable now. He makes some sounds to communicate. He has started spitting out water. Before he would swallow everything which was given to him. Then now he doesn't cry if his clothes are changed. Before it was very difficult to change his clothes. Thank you.